U.S. indices still look primed to go higher. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The NASDAQ 100 dipped slightly in the early hours on Monday as we continue to see overall bullish pressure in markets. And the liquidity measures in the United States, I do believe, will continue to provide a little bit of a boost for this market. That being said, you do not want to chase this market. Rather, you are better off looking for short-term pullbacks in order to find cheap contracts that you can take advantage of. I do believe eventually we go looking to the 20,800 level, which was the barrier that we could not get past the last time. Underneath, I think the 20,000 level continues to be a significant support level. The Dow Jones 30, of course, looks rather similar to the NASDAQ 100 in the sense that we are pulling back ever so slightly in the early hours on Tuesday, but quite frankly, this is a market that is extraordinarily bullish, and a little bit of a give back at this point in time does make a certain amount of sense. The 42,650 level underneath should end up being a bit of support, and most certainly the 41,900 level will be a bit of a floor. I think at this point in time, the Dow Jones 30 is looking to get to the 45,000 level. Remember, with liquidity measures, large stocks such as the ones in the Dow Jones 30 can take advantage of a potential stimulus package and, of course, infrastructure play. The S&P 500 pulls back ever so slightly in the beginning of the session, but quite frankly, this is another index that had a very stellar trading session the day before, so I think this is just a little bit of digestion. There's really nothing on this market chart right now that looks even remotely bearish, and I think we have a massive amount of support right around the 5,800 level. So even if we were to pull back, I suspect that the downside is probably limited. At this point, I really don't see much keeping the S&P 500 from trying to get to the 6,000 level between now and the end of the year. Whether or not it does remains to be seen, and of course it will be volatile, but it certainly looks like a lot of market participants have that in the back of their mind. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.